Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before that, let me introduce myself. I am Ratu Syabrina Putri with NPM 2341108. I am from class Management 23A. And in this presentation, I will discuss about basic concept meaning and models of leadership. Hopefully, the material present can provide new insight and be useful for all of us. Let's start. What is the concept of leadership? The concept of leadership or leadership concept refers to various ideas about being a leader and leadership principles and fundamentals. It includes a factor that affect leadership style and potential leaders' traits and perception. Leadership concept benefit any individual who oversees or manages a group of people to achieve a common objective. The leader may know what skill and character they might develop and how to use this to connect with their team members or followers. Types of leadership concept. Below are the two major types of leadership concept. B. Know do leadership concept. The B. Know do leadership concept clarifies the social dynamic between a leader, their followers, and external influence. According to this concept, leadership is a developed attribute rather than an inborn capability. An effective leader is a person who has developed their skills and abilities because of their desire and willpower. B refers to what the leader is, such as their beliefs and characters. And now means their understanding of their job and tasks. Do means how they discharge their responsibility, such as implementing policies and providing guidance and motivation to team members. Two component concept. The two component concept explains leadership dependence on followership and states there is no leaders without followers. Leaders typically build strong relationship with their followers and influence them positively towards continuous engagements. They may content with their team members by building strong bonds and keep them motivated and happy. They also create a community of shared interests, inputs, and ideas that drive the team and the organization through achieving business objectives. Leaders typically use various means to achieve this, include training season, mentorship programs, team building activities, private work project, and check-in meetings. Characteristic of leadership. Below are the different characteristics that define leadership. Point 1. Followership. The most fundamental requirement for leadership to exist is followership. Leaders exercise their authority over followers and provide them with guidance and motivation. Followers typically differ in their leadership requirements. Point 2. Leader-follower relationship. The leader and their followers need a level of relationship to establish effective leadership. This relationship typically manifests in both parties' abilities to influence each other. That means the followers can impact what discussion the leader makes and listen to them. While the leader also values the opinions of their followers without adopting any enforcement rules. Point 3. Situation. Situation refers to the difference in leadership requirements for different circumstances. An effective leader is typically dynamic in their approach and analyze situation thoroughly before causing a solution. Point 4. Role and relationship. Roles mean the key responsibilities of a job profile, position, or title. Nature of leadership. The nature of leadership discusses its form, major outlooks, including Point 1. Leadership is a process. Leadership is an interactive process where leaders and followers exchange influence. The leader influences their followers with their ideas and guidance, while the followers influence the leader with their suggestion and contribution. As there is a balance of authority, followers may follow the leader's directives. These attributes show that the extent of leadership depends on a leader's level of acceptance by their followers. Point 2. Leadership as a function. In leadership as a function, the emphasis is on activities that facilitate the achievement of group goals. The leader is the person who oversees the performance of this function, but there are typically several individuals and a factor that contribute to this achievement. If the team succeeds, the leader receives most of the praise, and likewise, if it doesn't, the leader takes the highest portion of the fault. Point 3. Leadership as a focal person. Leadership as a focal person assigns leadership roles to individuals based on their organizational status or position. That means company heads such as directors, executive manager, administrators, and chief of departments are the only individuals capable of leading. They assign tasks to employees and hold them accountable for these tasks during performance evaluation. Point 4. Leadership as a status group. Leadership as a status group denotes a situation where a person moves to a leadership situation because of their hierarchy. For instance, an individual may become the president or the chief executive officer or CEO of a company if it's family owned. This leadership nature also covers elected leaders, such as board members and current directors. The concept of leadership versus the theory of leadership. Leadership concept and leadership theories differ in various important ways. For instance, a concept contains fundamental information and guidance about leadership, which professionals can use to form a leadership style, communicate with teams, and direct process. Leadership theories typically involve studies about effective leaders, traits, qualities, action, and behavioral patterns. Importance of leadership. Leadership is important for various reasons, including point 1, initiates action, point 2, promotes cooperation and coordination, point 3, provides motivation and guidance, point 4, builds work environments, point 5, prepares successors. That's the presentation that I can deliver regarding basic concept, meaning, and models of leadership. Hopefully, this material is useful and can encourage our insight. Thank you for attention and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.